Hi everyone, day 11 of the UK Lock Sport Challenge, and I'm going to give it a go with a 5-pin curtain lever lock, which I got from a door reclaimers about a year ago. I don't pick a lot of these. I really should. I should practice more. Sadly, it doesn't have a key, so I won't actually be picking it all the way through. Well, obviously I'll be opening it so that the bolt shoots, but not all the way back, because if I do that, I've got to take the lock apart to be able to bring to open the levers again. So anyway, I'm using a tool from Andy Mack. Great turner that he's made. He's a fantastically gifted craftsman and brilliant lever lock picker. He's got a superb channel. You should really check it out if you don't. So anyway, right. Oh yeah, and because of the way the camera is situated, I'm actually going to have to pick this right-handed. So it may not work that well, but anyway, we'll give it a go. Moving down, up and down the stack a bit. This has got false gate, so it can go to false set, in which case, as far as I can work out, you've really got to start again. So I don't feel like they're up, so let's just gently nudge them up. Oh, I was dropped down. Setting a tool. Oh, yeah, lost tension on it. Let's just move the camera a bit. Oh, full set. Start again. And there we go. Oh, fudge. Completely locked it. All right. Take care, everyone, and have fun.